Hello gamers, welcome to us opening up a box of a one-piece Pillar of Strength. It's going to be cool. So far we've opened one box. I just opened a box of my own and I got these three. Got Khalifa, Polly, and Big Mom. So far so good. I can't open this. There we go. Okay. So we're looking like most people, put that aside, for the alt art category leader or the alt art category secret rare. Either way, we'll be pretty happy. This one, I'm gonna snip the top. There you go. All right, here we go. Johnny, Charlotte Praline. I've opened one box already, so I'm familiar with most of the comments and stuff. Leader Ace. Django's the rare, and oh, KO and Django the rare. Cool. Start a little, put a leader pile, put a rare pile, and we'll start a normal stack over here. All right, another one. I don't usually use scissors. I'm just using them for the quickness, so if I chop the top of a pack, well, or top of a card, that'll be sad. Jerry. Oh, that's something on the back there. No, that's just a leader card. And Ito. And 3,000 Worlds. Cool. Done. We're good. May have spoiled that one. Elmepo. Corgi. Shirley. Ganami. Polly. That's a super rare. I'll have kind of a guaranteed couple of those in the box, but that's something. Not super what I want, but I'll take it. Make a super rare pile. We'll keep going. I've opened a couple one-piece boxes. I'm quite liking it. I usually mainly do Magic the Gathering on my own time. But these are pretty cool, and I do like the series. Strazen. Oh, that's pretty sick. That's definitely a hit. I think that's a big one too. Okay, we get in the sleeve. We're gonna keep it safe. We gonna sleeve it up. Oh, sleeve it up. We're gonna keep it safe. Safety is key. Safety is fun. Boom. That's it. Big hit pile. All right. I am pretty happy already, and that is 4 packs, so put this away somewhere. Put it here. I'm sure we'll sleeve something else. Okay, we'll keep going. But I think that's a pretty good card. I think that's worth $1 or $2. I generally just want anything Big Mom related. I really like Big Mom. I'm actually pretty new. I'm not an old school One Piece fan. I actually started pretty recently. So I actually don't know if that's an unpopular or popular opinion. But I think Big Mom's pretty cool. But I already got the Ultimate or Big Mom leader, so we're looking for other stuff. Sorry if I'm rushing through the cards a little bit. I've kind of seen most of this already. I'm mainly looking for the big stuff. Goro. CP9 and Smoothie. Smoothie's cool, and I'm disappointed there's not a... I don't think there's an alt art for Smoothie, which is a bummer. So is life. I only got into One Piece recently, I would say around the time when everyone was posting the memes with Whitebeard's genitals being exposed. And I was like, I gotta get into this. So I did. And then I just read the manga. I didn't really watch the anime. I've watched the recent stuff in the anime, but I read the manga, and I quite like the manga. And I understood the hype, but I never got into it as a kid. But now that I'm a man, I get it. Like a video game character, kind of weird, from Odyssey. That's kind of a strange choice. Khalif, oh. Not uncommon, sorry. Ace, Monkey D. Luffy, and Django again. We got 2 ace leaders. I don't think that it really is anything. Another one. Rob. Oh, it looked like a alt art, but it's a super rare, but I actually don't have this. Sorry, I'm trying to show the camera. Which is pretty sick, actually. Again, I like this guy. So I understand that he's very evil. Kind of an uncool guy. Prospero? I actually don't know how to pronounce his name, but he's very cool. And he just does a lot for some reason. Like the other guys are like the 3 sweet commanders. Katakuri, Smoothie, and Cracker. But he's not, right? He's like the minister of candy. But then they all get defeated and he just like keeps popping up and being a little nuisance. which I think is cool. More big moms. Gillette. It's a weird set that it's like, it's got cool stuff with Big Mom, CP9, Impuled Down, which is kind of weird. I don't feel like there's not a lot of that. The Black Cat Pirates. Oh. That's another really big head. That's basically exactly what I want, except for that is really scary. That's crazy looking. Okay. That is, this is very much what I wanted. Alt Art Big Mom. Boom. We're gonna keep it safe. Cause safety is cool. Safety is cool. Boom. Sick. Okay. Well, I really want the Katakuri Alt Art Leader, but I feel like at this point, I can't complain. I think from what I've heard, there's 2 to 3 alt arts in a box, so fortunately we're either done or we're waiting on one. So yeah, we got both our alt arts way too early, but that's okay. We're happy. But let's still hope. Let's still hope for what we want, even though we pretty much got it. Chef and Blackbeard. Marshall D. Teach. Cards. First time doing a video like this, so it might suck, and I apologize. And then also, this might be the only one I make, so I don't have to apologize that much. That's okay. Okay. Jabra. Okay, and done. You get one of these in every box. So cool, but we were expecting that. But so cool. We'll take it. I don't know, put it somewhere. Actually. Boom. There. Boom. Charlotte Praline. Great. Buggy. Nami Leader. Pretty cool. Khalifa and Jin. I totally was making a rare pile, and then I totally just put a bunch in the normal pile. But that's okay. There he is. Boom. I don't think that's a big deal. If it is, I apologize. We're hoping for one more alt art, guys. It's 2 to 3. We might not get it, and I feel like I can't complain. Moo moo. Moo moo. Khalifa and Rob. Neat. Trash is piling up. Go. That's a rare, eh? Not too hyped, but we'll take it. I definitely have not been putting, at least I don't think I've been putting the foil events in this pile, but I'm sure I'll find them. Are you enthralled yet? Am I a famous YouTuber? Probably. King Bomb. Boodle. Is that something? Oh. Yeah. I'll admit, not the alt art leader I would want, but that's still pretty cool looking. Maybe not up there for... Yeah, I think that's cool. I think we're gonna be happy about that. As I mentioned earlier, I really wanted the Katakuri, but I think everyone does. An iceberg. Kind of a weird deck to be like, half your deck is the guy who betrays this guy. It's kind of sad. But that's pretty cool. And I think that's, again, worth $1 or $2. So we're going to count that as a win. And then the thing is, we could have just, I think to my knowledge, it's 2 to 3. To my knowledge, it's 2 to 3 alt arts. And so we got 3. So I think alternative, besides getting a cooler leader, we could have gotten nothing. So I think we'll take that. I think we'll take something. Not $1,000. But good. All right, well. Unfortunately, I think that's all the alt arts. So we're just going to be looking for secret rares. And we got a chunk of the box left. So, yeah, pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I think if I only got Iceberg, I would have been a bit disappointed, but I got Pudding and Big Mom. Oh. That's a secret rare? Yeah, it looks like an alt art. It's very flashy, but just from the silver border. You can see it's just a super rare. Pretty cool. I only kind of half know the price of this set. I know the prices of most of the big cards. So every now and then super rare, not alt art, is worth a lot of money, so might be one I'm missing, maybe the Marco. Jerry. Smoothie. I haven't played the game yet, but if I do, I'll probably do a Big Mom deck. So, I mean, this guy's a rare, but I'm kind of really focusing on making sure I put the yellow rares aside because I'm probably going to use them. Yeah, I haven't tried the game yet. It looks fun. Who knows? Mebo. I don't remember Namule. Just a leader? Oh, it's Rob. Spedum. Kind of sad they don't have a card for Spadum's sword. I think its name is Funkfried or something like that. And it's a sword that ate the elephant fruit. Which is weird. But I think that's pretty cool. Jerry. Arlong, Gum Gum, Jet Gatling, Buzzcut, Mochi. Probably should put those to the side. Imagine good for building a deck. Boom, put in the pile. I only vaguely know the limits. I'm pretty confident there's only 3 alt arts. Part of me wants to dream there's one more, and I've misread it. And then I get all the cool guys. So let's believe in that. But we still can get super rares. Jerry. Cool looking buggy. Hey, that's one. And it's a Big Mom Pirate 3 Sweet Commanders Cracker. I like that they make the super rares, I feel, stand out a little bit. Though it does always make me think it's a full art or an alt art. But that's okay. Because it's cool looking. Boom. What do we got? Like 3 or 4 more? Oh shit. We're good though. Hey, normal Katakuri. No Alto. Izo. Boom. How much we got left just to pull them out? floor. There you go. Hey, bud. Go. I think we should be pretty happy so far. Charlotte, Praline. Beleno, Kaku. Oh, that's a super rare. That's a little more tame, I will say. Just the art. Still cool though, I like him. Boom. Two more. I think we're gonna get them anyway. We're gonna get the Alt-Art Katakuri. We're gonna get a special box. We probably won't though. Ooh, hey. No more, just the normal super rare Big Mom. Sick looking card, sick looking mom. Boom. Okay. Just one more. Not expecting much from this. I think we've done pretty well. Boom. Hey, Rob, hey, you know, that's pretty good. Super rare. Just at the end. Pretty cool card, actually. Who doesn't love Rob? And that's it. I think we did pretty good, actually. I can't complain. Probably can, but no, I don't think I can. I think we did pretty good. Super rares, Rob, Big Mom, Kaku, Cracker, Marco, Prospero. If I like him, I should probably learn how to pronounce the name. Oh, and Polly. Sorry, Polly. But no, more realistically, we got 3 Alt-Arts. Iceberg, which again, pretty cool card. Kind of a weird character, I would say. Though I do really like that. A little shiny. I mean, the real shit. We got Big Mom. really scary. Someone, I don't know, was having a day when they made this. And we got Charlotte pudding, which I haven't looked up the prices yet. I think that's pretty big. That or the Big Mom. Actually, I think all these are probably a money or two. It's not bad. I think we did pretty good, guys. I'll make another video. Might never do it again. Okay, bye.